willing to carry on and get to the bottom of this. The problem is, this really isn't political. Ang problema kasi, may kasunod pang warrant to. Mabuti kung si Presidente Duterte lang. Pero tuloy-tuloy to eh. Ang susunod na warrant, yung mga pulis, 5 pulis. So, it's been said. And there have been rumors that in fact, Senator Bato, General Albayalde, General Karamat, General Danao, and General Leonardo will be following in the next arrest. And then there are several arrests more down the list. So it's quite alarming kung tuloy-tuloy ito. The other thing, of course, is that there are over 1,000 Filipinos imprisoned overseas. Yung mga OFW natin, abalang-abala. Takot na takot eh. Kung hindi daw napapagtanggol yung mga Pilipino na nasa bansa, kung hindi napapagtanggol yung dating Pangulo, paano pa sila makakauwi nito? So maraming nagtatanong, ano ba yung prosesong papauwi?